Hi guys, so yesterday I came to you just letting you know about my experience so far just with internet marketing, starting off with MCA. Today I just wanted to talk to you about the system that I actually joined through with MCA, and that's the Wi-Fi Wealth System. This is a system for people who are not salespeople, and I definitely don't consider myself a salesperson. So with the Wi-Fi Wealth System, when you sign up for it, this is a system that does all the selling and telling for you. It also keeps track of your leads. So it's just really a great system. It's a free system, and many systems that's out there that maybe help you keep track of your leads or do certain things, it actually costs money. But the Wi-Fi Wealth System, it was a free system, and that's what drew me to it as well. With it, you get free training. It's basically your own dashboard that you get to see like different video testimonies and trainings and different things like that. And there's also a special Facebook group for women who join, who are action takers and just ready to just nail it and do it big with MCA and also other opportunities as well. So, I definitely encourage you, if you are thinking about joining MCA, if you're thinking about internet marketing, start off with MCA, start off with the Wi-Fi Wealth System, because it definitely will help you get going, especially if it's something new to you. I really love it because it's definitely a way that I can make money online, and I'm just looking forward to all that it has to offer. Like I said, it's just such a great thing just to join MCA and take advantage of the Wi-Fi Wealth System. So if you're interested in hearing more about how to make money online or more about MCA, definitely click the link below. And basically, when you go to this website, when you go to the Wi-Fi Wealth website, it'll take you through some simple steps to get started with you. All you need to join MCA is $39.90, and that, like I said, that covers $150,000 worth of benefits, and it's just really awesome. It is $19.95 per month after that. But like I said, you cannot beat the $150,000 worth of benefits. And especially if you are in it to win it, as an MCA associate, that $19 will not be a problem, because as you continue to implement the tools and the trainings that you're being shown through the Wi-Fi Wealth System, all that is going to be something that you won't even notice, because your bank account is going to continually be adding up with every Friday, those paychecks coming in there. So like I said, if you are interested, go ahead, click the link below, get signed up, find me on Facebook, message me, let me know that you signed up. But again, with MCA, you get the unlimited roadside assistance. So if you run out of gas, they're gonna come and they'll fill you up. If your tire goes flat, they'll help you change it, or they'll tow you to a station who can, and just awesome, so many awesome other benefits. So definitely go ahead if you want to look through it yourself, check out all the benefits that it offers. But it's just undeniably something that you cannot pass up. So until next time, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.